Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. Today we're going to take a look at finding the spine in our fishing rod building tutorial series. Now, finding the spine is essentially the area on the fishing rod blank that bends the easiest, or its natural bending area. It's a very simple process, but it's a very important process. You place the butt end of the rod blank on a hard surface, and then you deflect it or bend it while spinning it slowly. Now, I've got a piece of masking tape on here as a visual reference, but you'll see that it will naturally find one spot that it wants to bend the easiest. And when you find that spot, you just mark it. You can mark it with a China marker, you can mark it with a piece of tape. Another way of finding the spine is with a spine finder. Now, this one's from CRB, and it's a tube with two bearings in it. You're going to want to protect the rod blank. I did so with some masking tape, top and bottom, so that the masking tape aligns with those steel bearings, and the steel bearings don't have the opportunity to dig into the blank at all. And then, kind of similar, you're going to bend that rod while turning it slowly. And those ball bearings are going, or to assist in finding the natural bend of the rod. Now, if you repeat the process several times, you should end up with the same results each time. You do have to get the feel for it. And you'll see that the visual marker, that piece of masking tape, will naturally find the spine or the easiest bending area. And as I mentioned before, it's a very simple process, but it's a very important process right at the beginning of your custom fishing rod building project. Once you find the spine, I marked it with a China marker, and now I'm ready to continue the build. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I would also love to hear a comment in the comment section. I'd like to give you an invite to check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. I've got a whole bunch of nautical, boating, and fishing-related do-it-yourself projects on there. Thank you very much for watching.